Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 24th, 2017. U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm getting this thing up about 8 hours late. It's not afternoon. It's getting close to my bedtime, and I'm yawning. And I'm going to see if I can get this video up. I probably won't get the website up till early tomorrow morning before the markets open, but I just had an insanely busy day today after the markets closed. I just didn't get to anything. It was not a great day for us. It was a great day for the Dow. Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 224 points. It's actually in striking distance of 21,000 again. Uh, the the election progress in France had some influence on this. The perception apparently is that um, Marie Le Pen, who is kind of the Donald Trump of France, may not get elected as president of France. And so that seems to create some optimism in the European markets. And they made a lot of good positive moves last night. However, I would caution you that we've seen this before where these predictions end up not being correct, and as an example, of course, Brexit. So I don't know if that's what effect that might have, but anyway, last night it drove our markets higher. Also, Donald Trump is putting forth his tax plan, which is also very favorable to positive market action. So as a result, the Dow really took off today. 224 points. Now, the problem for us is you can see we got this huge gap, and then really after the gap, it didn't do too much. And what happens is we get buying stuff here, and then it doesn't advance further to run up our profits. What we would like in an ideal situation is say have the Dow open like down here and then move up all day. That's going to produce the biggest profits for us. It did not do that today, and we did not have great profits. We ended up got into 18 new positions. 11 were positive, 7 were negative, and we are holding positive $3,400. But $3,400 isn't a lot of money when you're holding 18 positions, and if something happens that reverses this trend tomorrow, you know, with 18 positions, that could get pretty grim. Anyway, I just gotta hope that things will be all right. And then we got into one horrible trade on Friday, and it got even worse today. And so we're just basically sunk today. We closed out negative almost $8,000, and that's offset only by positive $3,400 in our open trade. So not a great day today. I'll show you a little of what happened. This first stock is AUPH. That's a drug company, and we had bought this on Friday. Looks like we got the high tick of the day. It sold off Friday and opened even lower this morning, and that costs us nearly $9,000. Well, you start out the day losing $9,000 on a single stock. It's not going to be a good day, and it was not a good day for us. We did have a few good trades. I'll just show you a couple here. let's see here. This is DeGaz inverse natural gas. We had bought this on Friday, kind of midday, and then it popped up beautifully here this morning, and we sold it. You can see we probably got pretty close to the high tick of the day in terms of our exit, and we took out close to $3,000 in DeGaz. So that was actually our best trade today, but that's not enough to offset a $9,000 loss in that drug company. And then we had another, not quite as dramatic a trade, but it was still a good one. This is SVXY, which is it's short-term futures. I don't think we've had a trade in this, but anyway, we had this huge gap in that this morning. We buy the gaps, we got in, it kept going, and we have about $1,500 positive in short-term futures. So, you know, another frustrating day. That's about all I can say. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday.